Today we will learn English with a strong and elegant animal, the horse. Repeat after me, slowly and clearly. Sentence 1. This is a horse. It is a large animal that can run very fast. The word large means big in size. Repeat, large animal, run very fast. Sentence 2. People have used horses for travel, work, and sport for thousands of years. Horses helped humans move, carry things, and fight in old times. Repeat, travel, work, and sport. Sentence 3. Horses have strong legs and powerful muscles. Two important words, strong and powerful. Repeat, strong legs, powerful muscles. Sentence 4. They can walk, trot, canter, and gallop, depending on how fast they move. These are 4 ways a horse moves: walk, trot, canter, gallop. Repeat them slowly. Walk, trot, canter, gallop. Sentence 5. Horses are sensitive animals. They can feel our emotions and react to our energy. The word sensitive means they notice small changes in how we act or feel. Repeat, sensitive animals. Now let's take a life lesson from the horse. When you watch a horse running freely in an open field, you see strength, freedom, and direction. The horse doesn't run without a goal. It follows a path, guided by its rider or by its own instinct. In your English journey, you can be like a horse with a clear direction. Don't run in every direction at the same time. Choose your path: speaking, listening, business English, travel English. Then move forward with power and focus. A horse also teaches us about trust. A horse runs faster when it trusts its rider. In the same way, you learn faster when you trust your process. Trust that small daily practice works. Trust that mistakes are part of the way. Trust that your English will get stronger if you keep moving. Repeat this line with me. I will move forward with strength and direction like a horse running in an open field. Say it again, slowly. I will move forward with strength and direction like a horse running in an open field. Now it's your turn. Write in the comments, do you like horses? Have you ever ridden a horse? Write one simple English sentence with the word horse. For example, the horse is strong, fast, and beautiful when it runs. I will read your sentences, and your ideas can help choose the next animal for Animal English with OneLingo.